Okay, little box opening here and install of the Vivo, very creative with the O, Vivo Desk DR33B black ultra long under desk drawer. That's what it looks like. I like this drawer because it will fit underneath. We have this little pencil drawer I installed. There's another video, you can watch it. It'll be linked, hopefully. But it's hard to find drawers that will fit underneath these stand-up tables. So this is a stand-up desk. I got this stand-up desk it's actually a workbench, but I like it as a desk for in my office. So you can crank that, it'll stand up. Some of you guys have the automated kind, but there's very few stand-up desks that come with pencil drawers that fit because of that bar that's in the way. So I found 2 pencil drawers. This is just a small one, just for little paper clips and stuff. And this one's sweet because the front can flip down so you can put your keyboard in there, and then it's got little recesses here for your cables. So I'm gonna try and put this one right here. I've left enough space for it to fit. And if I like that, I'm gonna do the same thing on my other desk over here. So keep you guys posted. Okay, we got the parts here. This is just the bottom tray, it looks like. You got 2 brackets, got some hardware and washers. Instruction manual here. Looks pretty straightforward. Lucas is getting the rest of the hardware here. Basically, you're gonna be mounting the right and left hardware, then the front and side hardware, then the brackets, then the mounting sliding brackets. So it should go pretty quick. So that's how it comes in the box. You get a couple boxes. There's another box that just had this stuff in it, that hardware, this. We'll open those up. Now we got the hardware out. You got a front and a back bracket. You've got a left and a right side sliding brackets. What's cool about this too is this can mount high or low, so you can have a place to put a laptop underneath, or in this case, we got a little tablet here, and we'll have space for that. Okay, be aware, guys. There's 2 options here, okay? So I must be thinking of another keyboard, but basically there's an option where you can just assemble a drawer, straightforward. Just screw the brackets into the drawer, put the front plate on, okay? Easy peasy. Then put the front side, back side, okay? But if you're gonna do like I am, I'm making a keyboard tray where the front's not there, you're gonna need to take out some screws. So I had to remove this from the bottom on both sides and move it to the top, okay? Just be aware, just did that. Okay, so to make it so that the desk, so that it'll be a pull-out tray so you have a little more space, they have you move this bracket where it was on the lower screws here up higher so that you have more clearance right there, okay? It's gonna be a lot more clearance. So we've done that, now we're gonna mount these real quick. Okay, you gotta get this little back wall. It says to go on top, but the instructions are wrong. It actually goes underneath. That happens every now and then. You'd think they'd fix it by now, like redo the printout or something. I'm trying to get the hole here. A little tricky. A little bit tricky. I think so. Alright. That's in with the smaller bolt. And then one more over here. Okay guys, if you already started doing this, you're as frustrated as I am. Don't follow the directions. They put the stickers wrong. So right actually goes left, at least on mine. Just main thing you want to look at is the 3 holes. Need to line up with the 3 holes, which they will either way. But the back side only has 3 holes. The front side only has 1 hole. Back side has 3 holes. Okay, so we had to take it apart and put it back, flip it around. Okay, now I got the drawer assembled for tray, for keyboard tray. Then you throw your washers on the screw. We're gonna mount it underneath. They have a template for you can use, but we're gonna just make it fit and use the actual holes for our guides. So you can see we have lots of clearance. I haven't mounted it yet, but like plenty of clearance for that, for a keyboard going to there. It's even shorter than this other pencil desk that I put in, so very nice to have that much space under there, okay? Okay, we got it installed here. Obviously, you're gonna notice one of the things you lose too, you lose about 4 inches of knee space, okay? Now, fortunately, it's a standing desk, so I was able to crank it up, but it's gonna mess with you. So here, crank it just a little more. 1 more inch, yeah, that's perfect. So it's gonna be good for me. I'm gonna like this, because I need to sit with my knees at a right angle. There we go, it's actually perfect. So remove these stickers. Now it's a little wobbly, which is kind of disappointing. Like you see that, how it's like, when I push it in and out, it's like, it doesn't slide because it's so wide. You're gonna lose that exactness, but it doesn't bother me. It won't bother me enough, because what bothers me is having my keyboard, my desktop full of clutter. So having my keyboard down here at the right height is actually going to be really nice. This is actually going to be more ergonomic with my screen too, because now I can pull the screen back down where it's supposed to be. So there you go, guys. There's that new undermount desk. Take the stickers off. It'll look clean. I have my keyboard down here. Okay, pulled the stickers off, put the keyboard in there. There was a lot of oil on those brackets from the bearings, and just be aware it's going to get on your fingers, so you might want to handle it, a little tissue or something. But got the mouse in there, got the keyboard. This is so much better. And look at my desktop. I actually have room on there now, so this is going to be so much better. And I've got a grommet. I'll be showing that in the next video. So the next video, I'll be installing this grommet. It's a USB pass-through. So basically, and it's also powered. It comes with powered USB. So this will be plugged in underneath. I can have my USBs right here. For example, my camera right there goes down. It comes into the front. I'd like to keep these fronts always empty. And I'm using the two in the back for the keyboard and mouse, because I like wired. This computer happens to have a USB underneath for wireless ones, but not for wired. So that'll be nice to have this little, I'm probably going to put it front and center too. Just right here. Then you can pass through cables, whatever. So anyway, guys, that's the little box opening, and we'll call it a review. Box opening install. Over and out. Hope you like that.